Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to enable notifications for your Facebook page's cover photo using your PC, following the latest update. If you want to stay instantly updated whenever someone interacts with your cover photo, whether it's a new comment or reaction, this quick guide is for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top of the page for your profile photo. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select your page by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Now that you're on your page, look for your cover photo at the top of the screen. Click directly on your cover photo to bring up the post view. Below the cover photo, you'll see a row of icons and options. Look for the 3 dots. These are usually labeled as More, or simply appear as 3 horizontal dots under the photo. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Turn on Notifications for this post. By selecting this option, you're telling Facebook to notify you whenever there's new activity on your cover photo post. This means you'll never miss a comment, like, or reaction, helping you stay engaged with your audience in real time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for your page's cover photo. If you ever want to turn off these notifications, just repeat the steps and select Turn off Notifications for this post from the same menu. Staying on top of your page's engagement is now easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your Facebook community active and informed.